Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we share the best tips and tricks to help you achieve financial freedom. Today, we're diving into a super exciting topic: 7 simple ways to make money. Whether you're looking to earn some extra cash or start a new income stream, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Number 1 on our list is side hustles. These are perfect for anyone looking to make money in their spare time. Popular side hustles include freelance writing, graphic design, or even pet sitting. The great thing about side hustles is that you can choose something you enjoy and turn it into a money-making opportunity. Websites like Fiverr, Upwork, and Rover are fantastic platforms to get started. Just create a profile, list your services, and start connecting with clients. Next up, selling products online. This is a great way to turn your creativity into cash. You can sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or even dropship products from suppliers. Platforms like Etsy, eBay, and Amazon make it easy to reach a global audience. And with a little bit of marketing, you can turn your online store into a thriving business. Our third tip is participating in online surveys and market research. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback, and they're willing to pay for it. Websites like Swagbucks, Survey Junkie, and Vindale Research offer cash or gift cards in exchange for your opinions. It's an easy way to earn a little extra money during your downtime. Fifth on our list is online tutoring. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can teach others and get paid for it. Websites like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant connect tutors with students worldwide. It's a rewarding way to share your knowledge and make money at the same time. Our sixth tip is investing in stocks and cryptocurrencies. While this requires some initial research and risk tolerance, it can be highly profitable. Apps like Robinhood, Coinbase, and eTrade make it easier than ever to start investing. Remember to diversify your portfolio and invest wisely. Last but not least, consider renting out your space. Whether it's a spare room, a vacation home, or even your car, you can make money by renting it out. Platforms like Airbnb, Turo, and VRBO help you list your space and find renters. It's a great way to generate passive income. There you have it, folks. 7 simple ways to make money. Whether you try one or all of these methods, the key is to take action and stay consistent. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. And let us know in the comments which method you're excited to try first. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.